Short press menu to enter the model menu. Click Page Turn to find the Mixes page. The flag controllers lock channels default. To using channel 10 and channel 11, we need to assign to custom button switches for channel 10 and channel 11. First, assign a custom button switch for channel 10. Scroll the wheel to the Map Resource Source column. Click OK to make the cursor start blinking. At this point, you can toggle a convenient button switch to serve as the lock key. For example, I select the top left SA switch, toggle it once, and the cursor position automatically recognizes the button. Click the Confirm button to save. The cursor stops blinking. Channel 10 mapping is complete. Short press the return key to exit. Channel 11 follows the same procedure. I choose to use the top right SE button as the manual lock switch. The cursor blinks and automatically recognizes the button. Click Confirm to save. The cursor stops blinking. Short press Return to exit. You can see that both channels have been successfully mapped. Now we'll demo the difference between the two lock-on modes. Channel 10, Smart Lock On or Unlock, automatically detects and locks onto targets within the designated frame. Channel 11, Manual Reticle Forced Lock or Unlock, locks onto the target aligned with the center crosshair.